What's going on, guys? This is Sidney Cumbie with yet another makeup video. I'm over here in the makeup dungeon just to tell you a little bit about this makeup that I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this is like fish prosthetics that I got from RBFX, the prosthetic catalog. So it's like a fish face and weird pointy ears. And the only reason I wanted to do this makeup, I didn't care what the prosthetics were. The reason I did this makeup was because I had a really cool wardrobe from the movie Spectral. So if you've seen the movie Spectral on Netflix, it was like these like ghost things were killing people. Well, I had this really cool looking like space costume from the movie Spectral, and I really wanted to use it. So I had my friend Gordon Tarpley come over, my friend, model. He's been in a ton of these makeups. He's really amazing. So make sure you guys go check out Gordon Tarpley on Instagram. It's just Gordon Tarpley on Instagram. That's it. So he came over, model for me, and the wardrobe looked amazing, and I chose this fish face because I knew I could make it really alien-like and make it look really cool, and the neck thing would fit on it really well. So it's just a really fun makeup. That said, I'll just let you know, of course, again, all RBFX prosthetics, 9mm lenses, contact lenses, because 9mm always has the best lenses, and I have a ton of them. So make sure you guys go check out 9mm SFX for your contact lens needs. I also use all Delium Tools brushes because I do work for Delium Tools, so therefore I use all the Delium Tools brushes, and I happen to love them. So I'm the luckiest guy in the world because I get to work for a company that I super love. And I also used all Mel's packs. I used all Mel's packs because with foam latex, you must seal the foam latex first before you go over it with alcohol colors. What else did I use in this? All European Body Art airbrush colors, because I have a ton of European Body Art airbrush colors, and I just love them because they're really thick and a lot of pigment, and some people think they smell really well, so that's why I use them too. You know, that's about it. There's no voiceover in this video. I'm just gonna try to go through it, slow it down enough for you guys to watch it, maybe learn something. Again, ask me questions if you need to know anything about this video down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because why not? I do quite a few videos of makeup, and if you want to learn makeup or you just want to see weird transformations, I'm your guy. So follow me on here. And I think that's it. So subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video because here it goes.